President Salva Kiir Mayardit hosted senior government officials, religious leaders, and constitutional force holders for luncheons, organized by the First Lady Mary Ayen at the Presidential Palace on Sunday. Addressing the government officials during the event, President Salva Kiir Mayardit said, "We have to accept the fact that coronavirus has come to stay with us, and soon we shall reopen all the churches all across the country for their congregations."
If we are seen to be sitting together like this, there will be two questions. Why nas bugul yaki lo nas del yau masha gadu zeda manatu mafi coronavirus. Nas tanin bugul nu, did they have spaces between themselves? Wala de haja bugulle na saket uma fi zol shakal beo. No, this coronavirus, even if it has not gone, it has come to stay with us, and we must take it like that. Another neshkurkum kulakum. Ugabel, His Grace, asked me, when are we resuming our prayers in the church? Because I am always in the attendance, and my comrade Wani, we always go to Kator. Your Grace, be assured that we will resume our prayers in the church.
President Salva Kiir Mayardit hired the first Vice President, Dr. Riek Machar, to nominate other person for the position of Upper Nile State governorship. President Salva Kiir Mayardit restated that he does not want conflict to back again in the country, not because he is scared, but he does not want any innocent life to lose again in the conflict.
We don't want anybody who will cause another conflict. Junub Sudan tabat min kalam batat al-harb. Al-shakala loman yahsal الناس اللي بمشي بموت فوقه, these are the most innocent people. They are بموت في شكل زي ده. So let us prepare and move forward بتنظيم وتشكيل بتاع الحكومة. We have come a long way. ولو دارين إنه نكمل الموضوع ده, we should finish it in 1 week's time.
First Vice President Dr. Riek Machar applauded the First Lady for organizing line and bringing the officials together to share ideas.
And I believe today, if our people will see us in the house of the President, it will give them encouragement. First of all, they will also make a lot of demands on us. They will criticize us. They will say, did they have social distancing? Because we kept telling them, you must have social distancing. But then it will give them encouragement, because then they will say, well, we have accepted that the disease has come to stay with us. We are now together. So this is important. So Your Excellency, we are very happy that we have joined you at your home, and we thank you very much for inviting us.
Almost said it all in terms of the purpose for which we are here. But first, let me express on behalf of His Excellency President Salva Kiir Mayardit and the First Lady Mary Ayen gratitude for having responded to this invitation and coming to be here this afternoon. I know that Saturdays and Sundays, weekends, are usually periods that you reserve for other social commitments and engagements that you have. And I believe that some of you must have skipped important social commitments to be here with us. So for this reason, we are very grateful that you have managed to come and be here with us. We come from different, diverse political backgrounds. By being here together in this relaxed social setting, we believe that this reinforces the spirit of camaraderie, which we need to have to be able to accomplish our teamwork. Itself requires that we develop strong bonds of solidarity.
President Salva Kiir Mayardit hosted senior government officials, religious leaders, and constitutional forces holders for luncheons